Here's a vintage Astatic model T3, that chrome bullet. A few little small spots on the chrome finish. You see this with age quite a bit, but this is the rivet tag model in pretty good shape overall, with the bottom on-off neck piece, but the later model black version of the neck piece. Looks pretty cool, in excellent shape. So the T3 with the on-off switch neck piece from Astatic. The original crystal did not work great, but this is a new old stock vintage Astatic 127 ceramic element. If you're not used to ceramics, they sound and work very similar to the crystals, but are a little warmer, not quite as hot on the top end, which gives you a little more headroom before feeding back with the amp. First, check this out, the small amp with the 8-inch speaker. Now the Gibson with the 12-inch speaker. Now 410s in the Harp King.